Hey guys, today we talk about how can you add Passkey on your wake-up. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on edit profile here. So then come to this list here on your profile, then you click here on security here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on one pass. So then come to this list and you click here on add. So then here it's going to show for you this list. Then here can you add here your passkey here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us. So before add here your here you will add here code from calling this calling here. You add here this code. So when you add your code here, all you have to do, so then it's going to take you to change your passcode. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Forget to support us by liking, subscribe.